Hi, today I'm going to be decorating my jeans. So if you haven't seen my try on haul, I would definitely recommend going and seeing it. I'll put it in the iCards, don't know which side that's going to be on, and in the description box if you're going to see. Because in that try on haul I tried on these flared jeans, and today I'm going to be decorating them, like sort of DIYing them to make them more pretty and gorgeous with sunflowers. I'm going to be painting sunflowers onto my jeans. I'm going to be using these Pebeo opaque fabric paints. I have one in the colour Buttercup, Orange, Chocolate and Black. So I don't actually have any pencils or stuff to outline this, so it's going to be fairly freehand, but I'm pretty confident in my own abilities to be able to do this like freehand. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a yellow sort of like outline circle, which then I'm going to do the petals off, and then I will do the inside of. I'm going to do each flower and detail as I go, and then just do that all over the jeans. This will probably be quite a long project that I'm going to be doing. I have completely and utterly filled in. Now I'm going to add the orange detail to it, because I want it to be sort of like two-toned, if that makes any sense. completely painted the sunflowers on the front now, as you've seen from that little clip. Now I'm just going to wait for them to dry, then I'm going to flip them over and do the back. Okay, so I've now heat set my jeans and this is like them finished. I am so happy with them. Obviously they are like the sunflowers, they're beautiful. The big ones personally to me look nicer, but I do quite like the small ones as well. The smaller ones do look more like yellow flowers than sunflowers, but yeah. And then you've got them on the back as well, and the pocket, and that one, and then this one here as well. I left the rest of the back plain because I thought it looked nicer. Okay, so that was that video. Comment down below whether or not you like the jeans and you like how they turned out. Personally, I really love them. And also, if you enjoyed this video and enjoyed watching me sort of DIY my jeans, then please hit that thumbs up button. If you would like to support me and join me along my journey of, I don't know what my journey is, growing up, living, enjoying my life, but then please hit that subscribe button and I shall see you next time. Bye!